Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I want to go over the AM Silver Bullet for Friday, October 13th. So let's turn on the Kraken Silver Bullet indicator. You can find out how to get the indicator down below in the description of the video. So I'm going to turn on this right now. And what this does is this helps you track the draw and liquidity. Okay, so there's previous day high and lows. There's a session, all the different sessions. You can turn on the highs and lows. You can toggle them on and off individually as well. We have the previous day high and lows. We have new week opening gaps, new day opening gaps. We have all the different kill zones that you can highlight. And we're adding a few more as well. And then there's silver bullet times where you can highlight the background as well, just like I do in my videos. Show the day of the week, Sunday open high, the midnight horizontal and vertical lines, and the 8:30 a.m. open, and the 13:30 p.m. horizontal line, all of which will show the prices on the side. We have showing fair value gaps. We can show balanced price ranges. We can show order blocks and breaker blocks. We have 10 macros to highlight in the background as well. And then we have the power of 3 candle here as well. Okay, shows 2 hourly, 1 hour power of 3 candles live as they are traded through. So we are at 10 a.m. and let's start turn on and see what has been traded through and what hasn't been traded through. Okay, obviously Asia range has been traded through. So let's turn off Asia and let's turn on London. London has been traded through. Turn that off. Let's turn on the kill zone here. There's your kill zone. The low, the high. Here's your kill zone. So okay, so we are at the high, and so now I'd like to see that let's go down towards the low. No, we didn't sweep the high. We haven't taken out the high. So if we take out the high, that would be great, ideal. But if price gives us, what it's giving us right now, which what I see right here is market structure shift and a breaker block. Okay, that's what I'm seeing right now. Okay, so let's just going to go with that. We're going to target the kill zone low down here. Would I've taken that trade? No, on the first thing. No, if the next one comes up into that, I probably would. You could take that right there and target the low. That's not what trade I took this day. So let's go candle by candle and see what happens. All right, so that's an order block right there. Let's see. Trades back into that order block. I'll take a trade. Ugh, a horrible spot. Gosh, it's like 3 handles difference. Okay, well, here's where I would have got in. Okay, so I'm going to sell too, but it's going to be right here. We would have got in up here. So based on TradingView, it has to take the close of a candle. So that's where we got in right here, but that's where it would have entered 5 handles above this. You could actually go lower than that. You could go down to like 3.5 if you wanted to. I'm just going to keep it at the 5. It's fine. All right. Partials somewhere down here. Probably at the 8:30 opening price. Below that would be good for a partial. Notice how on the Kraken Silver Bullet indicator, the New York Midnight Open, the kill zone high and the kill zone low, they just keep going. They're like 2 candles beyond where this is at. And so it just keeps in line with it. You have your prices over here. It's really great for morning analysis and everything else. So I highly recommend this indicator. It's one of the better ones for sure. If it hits this order block again, would I enter again? No. I'm hoping that okay. I like that. All right, well, here's another breaker block. So we got a high, a low, a higher high. Trades through. If it comes back up, see how much range I have from this breaker to here. You've got, almost 14.5 handles. So yeah, if it comes back in here, I'll take another trade. I'll add to my position. I don't think that would have got me in. That would have got me in. So I'll sell 2 more. Okay. Oh, probably should put the position on. Okay. Get through that. Stop. Okay. So I'm going to take one off here. That was for the first one. That was where I said I'd go below that 830 line. I would take a partial. Okay. So now I need something down here, and I'll take a partial off, and I'll leave my 2 runners. Okay. We're going to buy one there. Okay, and we'll flatten right there. Let's play the rest of the hour out. Okay. All right, let's take the positions off. We came to the 10 o'clock hour, silver bullet hour, and we use the Kraken silver bullet indicator. Which, again, you can find information about that in the description of the video. We started going through the different sessions to see where we had untapped liquidity, right? And we came to find out that the New York kill zone has a liquidity resting above its high, and then the low hasn't been taken. Okay, and when we started the 10 o'clock hour, we started right here. We just had a market structure shift and a breaker block form, which tells me that we're aiming to go lower, right? So we could have gotten an entry off the breaker block, even right here would have been a good entry, but we didn't take that. We wanted to see more price action. So we came down lower, we created an order block, came down, and once we tapped into the order block, we took our trade, we entered. And it came back up. We could have re-entered again off the same order block if we wanted to. Came to mean threshold of the order block, not consequent encroachment, it's mean threshold. And then we came back through and we traded through this low here, creating another breaker block. High, low, higher high, trade through, and then back up. And we pulled we measured from here, from the bottom of the breaker to our target, and it was 15 handles. So we said, yeah, we'll get in, we'll enter again. So we took another couple contracts. And then once we got past our 830 line, we took a partial, and then about 60 or so percent, 75%, so somewhere in there, we took another partial from our second trade, and then we exited at our TP. Again, we took out the New York kill zone liquidity right there, which was this liquidity right here. Okay, so that is your AM Silver Bullet for Friday, October 13th, using the Kraken Silver Bullet indicator.